What's up, AO fam? Ryan here, AO Cleaning. We're in Columbia today doing a job for a repeat client. Just doing one area for some water damage that happened a couple weeks ago, and taking care of my good old neighbor and friend. So that's what we got going on today. We had one today already. This is the second job of the day. Hope you guys are doing well. Beautiful day out here. Gorgeous day. Happy Thursday. And stay tuned. Beautiful. All right, guys, that just got finished up. That's going to do it. Look at that great before and after. Wow. Hit the bell. Subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.